All right, so we're going to cover how to do a heparin drip, since it's one of those math questions that everyone seems to be struggling with. And what we do is we use a process called dimensional analysis, which if you don't know what that is, don't worry. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. So let's look at an example. So we got an order of heparin 7,000 units over 1 hour. The label on the solution reads 10,000 units per 50 ml. How fast should the solution run to give the correct dosage? So here we got an order for heparin 7,000 units per hour. So what you could do is you can set it up by putting the 7,000 units over 1 hour. Now, since you want to be able to figure out how many mLs per hour you should run the solution, what you want to do is you want to be able to cancel out the units. The way you do that is by putting the 10,000 units on the bottom so you're able to cancel them out. And you put the 50 mLs on the top. If you ever get confused on which one should go on the bottom or top, just remember they can only cancel each other out if they're on the opposite side. So the top right can only cancel the bottom left, and the bottom left can only cancel the top right. So now what you have is 7,000 units over 1 hour equal 50 mLs over 10,000 units. And now what we do is we cross multiply. So what you can do is you can cancel out the units, so we're left over with the only mLs over hours, and then we just multiply. You grab 1 hour times 10,000 equals 10,000 hours. Then you grab 7,000 times 50 mLs equals 350,000 mLs. And so what you have is 350,000 mLs over 10,000 hours, but we need to figure out how many mLs it is in 1 hour. What you get, and you get that by dividing it by 10,000. So when you divide the total mLs that we have with the total hours by 10,000, you get the answer 35 mLs in 1 hour. And that's how we figure out the heparin drip. There's another heparin drip problem which includes the patient's weight, which throws off and confuses many students. And I'll show you in the next video on how to solve a heparin drip that includes the patient's weight. All right, see you there.